Jai Hind. I am Major Muhammad Ali Shah. Now, last couple of days, there has been a letter written by a corps commander to an army commander, which has got viral on social media. In fact, it was first viral on WhatsApp, and thereafter it got viral on Twitter. फिर वो प्रिंट मीडिया में आया और फिर अभी हाल ही में वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में भी आ गया। और मैंने इसके ऊपर टिप्पणी नहीं करी बिल्कुल भी, क्योंकि मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि इट शुड नॉट हैव कम इन द पब्लिक डोमेन because it's an internal matter, and I think army is very much competent to resolve issues internally on their own. एंड बस कुछ चंद एक बातें, क्योंकि मेरे पे बहुत प्रेशर था, बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि आप एक डिफेंस एनालिस्ट हैं, आप नेशनल टेलीविज़न चैनल्स पे आप बोलते हैं, इस मुद्दे पे आप खामोश क्यों हैं। मैं खामोश इसलिए था क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाह रहा था कि फालतू में इसको हवा मिले इस लेटर को और ये पब्लिक डोमेन में आए। अब मैं ऑन द आउटसेट ये कहता हूँ कि जो हमारी महिला अधिकारी हैं भारतीय सेना की, ये अव्वल दर्जे की हैं। दे आर वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट, दे आर रियली वेरी गुड, दे आर एक्सलेंट, एंड I whatever letter was written by a senior general to another general was their viewpoint, and it's respected. And I have been told that apparently it has affected the morale of our lady officers. So I would like to tell my I would in फौज में कहते हैं ना ब्रदर ऑफिसर्स, सो जो लेडी ऑफिसर्स हैं, जो मेरी कलीग्स थी वैसे फौज में और अभी हैं, कि भाई आप अपना मोराल नीचा मत करें. You take this letter constructively, positively, and no one is questioning your competency or your will to lead as an officer. You guys are wonderful. You are great. You are doing a great job. And the sacrifices you make, it's phenomenal. I've had the honor of interviewing General Madhuri Kanetkar, General Punita Arora. They're from the AMC, of course, but आप सोचिए लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल के तौर पे के ओहदे से वो रिटायर हुई वो. द नेटो हैज़ एन आर्मी विच मेनी ऑफ देम आर लेडी ऑफिसर्स. Israel has an army which is, many of them are lady officers. Are they any less competent? They are not. Well, in the year 2008, 26 January, I had come from Nagaland, from the Assam Rifles, to lead the marching contingent. That time, from the Chief of Army Staff's house, I was doing the comparing, the MC. And General Deepak Kapoor was the chief of the army staff that time. For a function, the president of India, the prime minister, the defense minister, the top brass basically was there. And I announced from the mic that why is it that we only have, so far as I know, we could have had, I don't know, but I feel, why is it that we have only gentlemen officers leading the parade? Why can't we have lady officers leading the parade? In the year 2015, we had Lieutenant Commander Sandhya Chauhan. She led the naval contingent. And in the year 2019, we had Major Khushbu Kanwar lead the Assam Rifles marching contingent. मैंने अपनी पहली TEDx talk में इनके बारे में भी जिक्र किया है. And so the very fact is, well, I agree, leading the parade is different and leading them in battle is different. The battlefield is very, very, I would say, it doesn't see the gender, it doesn't see the rank, it doesn't see the seniority, बस गोलियां जब आती हैं तब आती हैं. And I think our lady officers, they clear the exams, they are trained, they are groomed, and they are. So my message to them is, don't let your morale go low. Prove your mettle harder and show the world what you are capable of. And I think you all are wonderful. You are very competent, and all the best to you all. And please, for heaven's sake, हम अगर जवानों के मोराल के बारे में सोचते हैं, ऑफिसर्स के मोराल के बारे में सोचते हैं, so in the academy when I was training, we had gentlemen officers and lady officers. Now I'm very happy to see, I had gone to for the IMA POP this year in June. I saw officer cadets. I didn't see lady cadets or gentlemen cadets. I saw officer cadets. So फौज में ऑफिसर ऑफिसर होता है, चाहे लेडी हो चाहे जेंटलमैन हो. There is no gender bias. I don't think that. And yeah, so the general's opinion should be taken in a very, very positive way. His letter should be taken in a very, very positive way. Don't take it negatively. And I'm certain that the lady officers will keep the morale up. Jai Hind.